Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best under-seat subwoofer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rockville SS8P under-seat subwoofer. Introducing the Rockville SS8P 400W 8 inches slim under-seat subwoofer, the perfect all-in-one solution for car enthusiasts craving powerful bass without sacrificing space. With its slim 2.8 enclosure, this subwoofer effortlessly fits beneath any seat. Despite its compact size, the SS8P delivers outstanding sound with a maximum power of 400W and an RMS power of 100W. Its frequency response of 20 Hz to 150 Hz guarantees a dynamic range of low-end frequencies, while the impressive signal-to-noise ratio of over 90 decibels ensures precise audio reproduction. This device is developed concerning people, the customer, to make installation as simple as possible. Moreover, the Rockville SS8P excels in its versatility, ease of installation, and overall audio quality. Moving on at number 4, we have the JBL Bas Pro SL under-seat subwoofer. The JBL Bas Pro SL 8-inch 125W RMS under-seat subwoofer is perfect for your car audio system. With its slim profile and powerful 8 inches woofer, the Bas Pro SL delivers impressive low-frequency amplification from a compact enclosure. Tailor the sound to your liking with the crossover control and various EQ settings. Designed for minimal distortion and exceptional bass performance, the Bas Pro SL is housed in a patented ABS enclosure. The efficient amplifier generates little heat and draws minimal power from your car's electrical system. Custom circuitry ensures optimal performance at different output levels without compromising audio quality. It may have limited power handling compared to higher wattage subwoofers and may need to reach extremely low bass levels. But the Bas Pro SL excels in its slim design, customizable sound, and efficient performance. Elevate your car audio experience with the JBL Bas Pro SL. At number 3, we have the Soundstorm Laboratories LOPRO 10-inch powered under-seat car audio subwoofer. The Soundstorm Laboratories LOPRO 10 is one of the best under-seat subwoofers for high-end bass and sound with massive 1200-watt power. It offers versatile input options for seamless integration with various audio systems. The compact size and low-profile design make installation a breeze, perfect for tight spaces. While it may not produce the deepest bass like larger subwoofers, its 10-inch woofer and 600-watt MOSFET power handle provide a rich sound experience. The subwoofer's subsonic filter, low-pass crossover, and variable bass boost allow customization. It can easily fit under the seat of most vehicles with its minimum height, making it an ideal alternative when space is limited. Control it conveniently with the included remote. Elevate your car audio with the Soundstorm LOPRO 10 for impactful bass in a compact package. At number 2, we have the MBCord RW108A under-seat subwoofer. The MBCord RW108A 600W reference series 8 inches under-seat subwoofer is the perfect solution for limited car space. With its slim design, this concealed subwoofer can be easily installed beneath a seat, delivering powerful and impactful bass. The innovative circuits ensure protection and longevity, including overheating and reverse polarity protection. The subwoofer's aluminum construction effectively dissipates heat, preventing overheating during continuous high-level use. Also, its 600W power handling guarantees a dynamic sound experience. Enjoy the convenience of under-seat mounting and the durability of high-quality construction. Proper installation is essential to maximize performance and sound quality. Elevate your car audio with the MBCord RW108A for compact yet powerful bass. And finally at number 1, we have the Rockville USS8 under-seat subwoofer. The Rockville USS8 8 inches 600W under-seat subwoofer is a compact and robust solution for exceptional bass in your vehicle. Its slim 2.9 enclosure makes it easily fit under your seat, saving valuable space. The integrated amplifier simplifies installation and wiring, providing a convenient all-in-one system. The intelligent turn-on circuit automatically activates the amplifier when an audio signal is detected, ensuring seamless operation. The included remote subwoofer level control allows for convenient adjustments on the go. Its 600W maximum power and 150W RMS power offer impressive performance. It has a limited frequency response range but excels in its compact design, integrated amplifier, and easy installation. Enjoy powerful bass without compromising space with the Rockville USS8 under-seat subwoofer.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.